Charlie, Roger, frequent rise in then, good day. Thank you, bye. And Golf Delta Kilo, do you require fuel? Negative, but I'd like to park on the North Apron, please. Okay, park North Apron, taxi North Apron. North Apron, Golf Delta. X-Ray Sierra, good afternoon, Kemble information, stand by. North Alpha Sierra, runway 26, taking you to the traffic, the traffic, the traffic. Uniform November, hello again, Kemble information with 26 left hand in use, the QFE is 985 hectopascals.
26 left hand and QFE 985, I'll make an overhead joint, and if I could do 2 or 3 circuits please.
Uniform November, no problem, report overhead.
Oh, overhead, Uniform November.
Upper Fox, welcome back, station, the surface wind calm.
Upper Fox, land.
Golf Alpha Sierra, that traffic ahead of you is for a full stop landing.
Roger, Golf Alpha Sierra. Can you just confirm how you're reading it at the moment?
About readability 4, just there.
Yeah, I've got a bit of an issue with my headset, thank you.
Fox X-Ray Bravo Alpha, hello, Kemble information, happy details with 26 left hand in use, the QFE is 985 hectopascals, I've got 2 others joining. Uniform Victor Lima, I believe you were talking to me there as well. Hello, with 26 left hand. You need the QFE now 1000. Do you check from your present position or ready for departure?
Left hand 1000 QFE and call
Victor Lima, so you're going to go to White Waltham or to Weston?
Destination is Weston and I don't know, 1002.
As required, and take off at your discretion, the surface wind calm.
Line backtrack, sorry, it's on a Bravo one, backtrack line up and depart the surface Victor Lima.
Extra Sierra, copy that, I'll settle down it. Extra Sierra, again. From November, Roger, report crosswind. I believe there's also a Foxtrot aircraft in the overhead as well, so good to look out.
Keeping a good lookout and report crosswind, Uniform November.
Victor Lima rolling on Sierra, welcome to Kemble, vacate next right, taxi Bravo.
Bravo, where's the check? And next shall we? Uniform November, downwind, forward touch and go.
Uniform November, Roger, report final.
Report final, Uniform November.
And Uniform November, score 7010.
Uniform November, final touch and go, 26.
Uniform November 26, touch November.
Golf Bravo Alpha, crosswind, 26 left hand.
Bravo Alpha, thank you, report downwind.
Full code, Golf Bravo Alpha.
Downwind. Okay, November Charlie.
Golf Uniform November.
Golf Bravo Alpha, welcome to Kemble, vacate second right, taxiway Delta.
Second right, taxiway Delta, Golf Bravo Alpha. Bravo Alpha, runway vacated.
Golf Uniform November 26, touch for your discretion, the surface wind calm.
Golf Bravo Alpha.
Copy November Charlie, final touch. November Charlie 26, land your discretion, the surface.
Copy, copy. Golf Uniform November, downwind 26, touch and go.
From November, thanks, report final, there will be an aircraft departing ahead.
Report final, Uniform November.
Helicopter Golf taking on 26 left hand.
Plus 5 degrees and we'll report when complete, thank you.
And do you need the QNH?
Negative.
Golf Uniform on turnaround runway 26, take off at your discretion, the surface wind calm.
Copied, taking off 26.
Report on, November Charlie, Kemble. Go ahead, November Charlie. Fly fuel. Next week, we're good, stay next to help. No problem at all, have a good day. Okay, Golf November Charlie, you too. Tango, there's a short delay, I've got one to land and I'll get you away. Holding Bravo 1, Golf November Tango. Tango, whilst you're holding, just some information for you. The Bryce Lars is unavailable.
Many thanks, Golf November Tango, that's copied. We'll be heading northbound towards Gloucester.
Roger. Golf Tango Mike Alpha X-ray.
Confirm. Go, Mr. Charlie, final 26 main.
Golf Victor Charlie, 26, land your discretion, the surface wind calm.
My discretion, go, Mr. Charlie.
Golf Tango Mike Alpha X-ray, good afternoon, coming information, pass details.
Golf Tango Mike Alpha X-ray, departure to Water, 2 on board, request taxi.
Charlie, welcome to Kemble, vacating second right, taxiway Delta. Holding, Golf Alpha X-ray. Golf November Tango via Bravo 1, you can enter backtrack or port lined up 26. Port lined up 26, Golf Tango, okay. And Alpha X-ray, now you're blocking the entrance into North Apron, making my life a little bit harder than it already is. Please taxi hold Bravo 1. Taxi hold Bravo 1, apologies for that. Alpha X-ray 26, take off your discretion, the surface wind come. Taking off, Golf Alpha X-ray. Tango, it's a basic service for me, report changing, on rate. A basic service, Golf Tango, okay. 218 down, hit the best course, and copy the runway, and the permission to turn taxi for a 26 departure, please. Helicopter Golf November Sierra, the surface wind is calm, you can left taxi Bravo 1. Taxi Bravo 1, helicopter Golf November Sierra. Helicopter November Sierra, traction, taxi holding point Delta 1. Taxi holding point Delta 1, helicopter November Sierra. Helicopter Golf to Golf downwind 26 cross. Golf to Golf, roger, this is 26 grass runway or down southside grass. 26 grass runway Let's go Golf, roger, port final for the grass runway. Okay. Helicopter Golf, November Sierra on reaching Golf 1 runway 26, take off at your discretion and set this at the time. Taking off, 1 runway 26, perfect, Echo Tango Tango ready to lift for departing south. Helicopter Golf, Tango, the first is wind 050 degrees 3 knots, you can lift, Taxi Golf 3. Taxi Golf 3. Golf Tango to basic service, report rejoining. Basic service, we'll go helicopter oil. Kemble information, Golf Kilo Foxtrot Charlie Alpha. Golf Kilo Foxtrot Charlie Alpha, good afternoon, Kemble information, pass your message. Golf Charlie Alpha, backtrack Vicky Bravo to C2 hangar. Backtrack via Bravo to C2 hangar, Golf Bravo, yeah. Victor Charlie, by holding point Delta 1 line up runway 08. Line up 08 Delta 1, Jarvis Charlie. Victor Charlie, runway 08, the surface wind 0505 knots, take off your discretion. The Echo Uniform, readability 5, pass your message. We're passing our field data. Pass your message. Okay, confirm runway news QNH, Golf Echo Uniform. Okay, how many on board and where are you going? I'm sorry, booking out 2 on board, destination White Waltham. Okay, strength 508, right hand engage, QNH is 998 hectopascals. Do you check? Uniform is clearing to the south contacting 5 zone. Thanks for the help, bye-bye. Uniform 3 cool, goodie.